Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting issue in Windows 11 10 fixed 2023. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Management. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi. Click Wi-Fi Properties. Change public to private network. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, click and expand Wireless Adapter Settings, click and expand Power Saving Mode, change to Maximum Performance. Fifth method is Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Sixth method is Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type NetSH WinSock Reset. Type NetSH, INT, IP, Reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.